The credit on Pikachu's charge account.
What? You didn't come here to steal a meal.
I'd settle for a taste of that Pikachu.
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
Thanks, but the last time
Thanks.
you wiped out
Fox,
89
how does it
lives.
scoop?
Give us a him. Scalded in blood. What's it say? See you next Wednesday.
Is it good?
Yeah, well.
There's no Pokemon, said Yoli.
What happened? What happened, Sky?
It tastes like bears. You're not talking. Rodents, you know.
Pokemon, said.
Chemical.
The Pokemon that used to do.
Good, Glenn.
Pokemon that close.
Food.
Food is huge.
The Pikachu.
Kevin.
Ash.
You pound down the stuff.
Uh-huh.
Listen, you need something else, but...
Right now.
Oh, man.
Tickle, yeah.
Oh, man. I don't want to talk about what you smell up.
Tickle, yeah.
Yeah.
What's it?
Honey, what's the matter, man? What do you think about very cute?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
What? What's wrong with him?
Missy, Ash, look.
Why? Why? That's a serious.
We already said this now.
Monty! Multi-something. You can't see him Carlisle. Let's sleep on your bed. Yeah, come on, look at this thing like myself. Darn it!
Ash.
What's wrong?
I'm gonna call out, sir.
Oh boy. Get us off with him. Oh, man.
Pikachu. Ash, look.
Oh, hi there.
Pikachu, look.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Uh-oh.
He did it.
Look, man. What's that?